Welcome! Today I'm gonna show you how to turn on the one-hand mode on your Huawei P40 Lite. So let's start from open settings. Then we have to go to the accessibility features. And as you can see, there's one-hand mode, so enter here and use this marker to turn it on or off. And there are two ways to enter the one-hand mode. First one, when we are not using the 3K navigations, we have to swipe up from the corner, from left or the right, like this. But as you can see, it doesn't always work, so you have to try. And yeah, if you just enter the one-hand mode, you can just move like this. It's a very useful feature. But if you wanna just go back and close the one-hand mode, you have to click on the outside the window. So maybe here. And this is how it looks on this device. I hope that I helped you guys. Leave likes, subs and comments.